It's authentic. It's stupid and stubborn, and the other way would be so much faster. That's not how I operate.
How are you, how's the progress going?
Can I quit? I would like to quit. I would like to stop.
I think you got too far in to stop. That's what she said. Stop.
I have 20 panels. I have 2 done there. I've got 3 out there. This is panel number 6. I am not even halfway. And this is the fastest and easiest part of the entire piece. So this is the background where there's nothing happening.
Aren't you excited for the next part to come?
It's just dark. And these take, on average, just putting the squares on here, about 1.5 hours to 2 hours per square. And that's just putting without thinking, line after line after line.
Do you regret this?
No.
All these little pieces. Do you think your approach can be better next time if there is a next time?
Sure, there's shortcuts I could take.
Well, I mean...
Why didn't you take them?
Because to me, if I say I'm gonna build a piece out of 20,000 pieces, it would be inaccurate if I found a way to cheat that number by doing something like cutting up strips and then re-gluing them back together. No, this is 20,000 plus pieces. Every piece cut by hand, every piece placed individually. It's authentic. It's stupid and stubborn, and the other way would be so much faster. That's not how I operate.
All right, that was a project. That took some time. That was fun. It wasn't fun.
If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm the wood veteran, and I'm making furniture and woodsy, artsy stuff, and I'm giving it away to you guys for free. That's the goal. That's the plan. I've got 2 giveaways going at the moment. One is a miniature shelf, a miniature floating shelf. The other is this Mandalorian wall art. Links to those will be down below. This piece in particular, if you're interested, I'm selling it, actually. It's gonna be on eBay. I'm gonna auction it off. If it doesn't sell, I'll probably still end up giving it away. But if you wanna get it, there'll be a link down below. I'm still running this channel out of pocket right now, so I'm not collecting any money from anything that I'm doing. I'm also gonna be making several Thor's hammers. We've been watching the Avengers recently, and my son wanted a hammer, so I figured I'd make him one, but I'm also going to make several more. So I'm going to make a few large ones and then his small one, and I'm going to be giving them away. I'm going to give one away to my YouTube subscriber base. I'm also going to be giving one away to one of my first 10 Patreons. I only have 1 Patreon member at the moment, but once we hit 10, someone there is going to get it. Just note that if you want to support me on Patreon, all your donations will always go towards the projects for the community. That's what that money's for. So, thank you for joining me on this build. If you're still here, leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. Let me know how the picture turned out. Does it look like him? Does it not look like him? Would you ever consider doing something like this? Do you want to see another one of another person or another thing in this same style? I'm actually kind of excited to try it again. And lastly, invite your friends. Share this with your social media accounts. Tell everyone. Because the faster we grow this channel, the bigger and better and cooler stuff I get to make and give to you guys. So I appreciate you tagging along. So thank you. Welcome. See you on the next one.